Okay, we're going to start perimeter, area and volume. Now you can either make this very complicated or very simple. Now, first of all, perimeter equals the distance around the outside of a shape. Okay, the only special formula you need to learn is that the perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. And to find the circumference, so if you've got a circle, remember this is a radius. Diameter is a longer word, it's a longer line. Diameter goes the whole way across. The perimeter of a circle is called a circumference. So you can either write pi times diameter, that's the way I remember it, or pi times 2 radii. So 2 pi r. Either or is fine. I tend to remember that one because of CD. Okay, that's perimeter. Area. Okay, this is the amount of shape or amount of space a flat object takes up. So we'll not worry about taking that down, we'll just go straight into it. Basically, perimeter of any of these shapes, it's the base times the straight up height. And the proper name for the straight up height is the perpendicular height. So area of a quadrilateral, basically of a rectangle, square, parallelogram, that's a rectangle squished over, or a rhombus, which is your square squished over. Area of any of those shapes, if you just remember base times the height, but remember it has to be the perpendicular height, it's never the slopey height. Perpendicular means at right angles, so perpendicular. Okay, special cases. If you have a trapezium, now a trapezium is a four-sided shape with one set of parallel lines. It can look like that, or it can look like that. And basically in that one there, you add the opposite sides, the parallel sides. So the area of a trapezium is you add the parallel sides, you divide it by 2. Basically you're finding an average of these sides and you times it by the height. You're timesing it by this perpendicular height. Okay, so it's an average of the sides times the height. Other special shapes you need to know, the triangle, and it's the base times the straight up height, the perpendicular height, but you divide it by 2. So area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. You would need to know your circle. So radius, area of circle is pi r squared. And yeah, if you know that there, you should be able to work through most of the questions, if not all of the questions. We're going to now look at chapter 38 in your booklets. And we're going to do exercise A and exercise B, but I think we'll do every other one because it can be quite repetitive.